Oh, I just got hit. I just got hit for sure. I got one. I got one. Yeah, I felt that. Oh, look at that. Come on, little guy. Oh, look at that. Dang, I felt the tap when he hit that.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Good. I didn't even hear it turn on. Sorry, I didn't even mess up.
Guys, look. Got a little guy just out on these lily pads. Beautiful. When I cut the video, oh, I got one. He's small. I'm boat flip him. Oh wait, actually, net him. Dang, another one right there.
A nice little fish.
Ugh.
Swallowed that, didn't he?
Yeah. And that's in the back of his throat. Ah. Ah, dang. Got some sharp teeth there, bubskies. Nope, I got him. Guys, dang, he needs to get on some eating. Pretty big head, but still a little skinny. It's all right. He hit it pretty hard, so that's a good thing. And off he goes. Nope. Got him. Pull out the net. No, get the net, Dad. Get the net. Dad, get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh, he's pulling so hard. He's pulling so hard. He's pulling so hard. Let's go. Oh my gosh. You know, it's been long I've been waiting for that. Right here.
How long has it been since you caught a big one?
Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Guys, you don't know how good that feels right there. Good blow up. Beautiful day. All right, guys, just got done taking a couple pictures. What a beautiful bass on a beautiful day. Dang, I'm so glad I caught that. Off he goes. I got one? I think I got one. I got one. Yes, I do. Net him, just net him. Who got skunked?
Nobody. Oh, yeah, I did. Can I do it?
No, I need a picture.
I will.
Ethan is ripping. Bro, he's like right on your lure.
Your lure's in the water. It's like a less than 1 pounder.
All right, guys, there he goes.
The top water lure, and all he told me was throw it.
Look. Got one. Yeah. Ethan, do it.
Break the other time. Where's he at?
We're here. Wait, let's see if I can get him to jump.
He's got on me.
Oh yeah, on the little spook or fluke, actually.
Grandpa told me throw it, let it sit for 5 seconds, twitch it, top water, float. What's that, Dad?
Guys, look, it's a beautiful day. Look, guys, it's a beautiful day. Just caught a little guy on the new John boat. There he is. Oh, that was small. Way smaller than I thought. Oh, shoot, he might have scared off something nice right there, not gonna lie. Well, I wouldn't say that's a good sized fish, but better than nothing. Dang, he is chunky.
Like me.
Right in the corner of his jaw. Perfect hook set. Dang, he's got some strength in him. Dang, he's really cold. But that thing's worth trying my weighted hook, because look, that's how far I can cast. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh, are you kidding? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. He freaking smacked that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Right in the corner of his jaw. Let's freaking go. Oh, look at that. The whole lake heard that. Let's go. Look at that. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. I caught a couple fish. Most importantly, had a blast. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys could like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Until next time, I'm out.